Sherry Layo stubborn. Ìwọ ló máa Bayi Mesoro jẹ́. Honestly speaking, Layo stubborn. Òun ló máa ṣe kíni? Òun ló máa Bayi Mesoro. Ẹ sọ pé àtẹ̀mù sọ fún yín. Sherry ibi tá a dé. I don't think Layo like Mesoro. Ẹ gbàgbé. I don't think that Layo like Mesoro. I think Layo disguised under Mesoro's team. Láti máa kó pankẹ́rẹ́ bo Mesoro ṣe mọ̀ pé ìyẹn ò gbọ́n náà tẹ́lẹ̀. Layo is the only person that set Mesoro up for dragging. Most of the dragging Mesoro they chop today na because of Layo. Layo when nǹkan tó pa yín pọ̀ náà ló máa tó yín ká. Layo could have just maintained her lane and block by her own self. Don't associate with anybody. She could have been on her lane and blocked by herself. But no. Layo have to drag people's children. Few months ago, right? Was it not last month? Nígbà tí Layo tó drag àwọn ọmọ Dorcas méjèèjì. Tó bully wọn, tó post wọn sórí page, tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bully àwọn ọmọ kékèké. Bayi came outside, dragged Mesoro's son as well. Àwọn Mesoro bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sunkún. Wọ́n á lọ wọ́n ìyá Layo pé kó fáwọn ọmọ lẹ̀ pé tó bá fáwọn ọmọ lẹ̀. Bayi, and she was very, very reasonable. That if you stop dragging Dorcas children, I will not talk about Mesoro's son. Mesoro doesn't want anybody to talk about her son. But your home blogger, they drag person pikin. Make it make sense now. Your home blogger, they drag person pikin. And you don't want them to drag your own children. There was a truce at that time. Tebaranti. That in as much that Layo did not drag Dorcas children, they will not drag Mesoro's children again. Within how many weeks? I know Layo cannot stop it because in what of in I don't know how stupid you have to be in this life. Yes, at this point you are behaving like a stupid person. That you have to always talk about children because you want to boost your engagement. It shows that it shows that you are not mature. Tó bá mature ni, púpọ̀ lára Dorcas àmọ́yé nǹkan tó lè fi bú now. Must you talk about the innocent, vulnerable children? You said they use the children for content. How is that your problem? You want low money. Ajagbomo tiẹ̀ lọ ní kó lọ fà wọ́n mọ tiẹ̀ náà ṣe content. Must you talk about her kids? Whatever she do with her kids is her kids. Dorcas is not the only person that is using her kids for content on this social media space. I've seen so many families bringing their children for content. I don't Dorcas go kì í ṣe content now. She just show them once in a while. Àwọn kan tẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kí àwọn ọmọ wọn wà involved tó yẹ kí wọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí camera báyìí wọ́n máa ṣe kínní. They are always doing one thing or the other. I've seen so many families. Èwo wà lórí burúkú náà? If they start with Mesoro sin, Mesoro máa kéyìn síta wọ́n máa ké. Ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé now this is long overdue. This is just stupid at this point. You just want to be stupid. You just want to be ìyẹn ní o kẹfì yẹn ṣe ní. Number 2, ó ní mo sọ pé Mesoro ìyà tó ń jẹ lọ́jọ́ tèmi. Even when people have forgotten you, Layo will remind them wípé please ẹ bójú Mesoro jẹ́. I think maybe there's a problem in your camp now because nobody can tell me that Layo àti Mesoro they are not having issues. I know Layo is smarter than all this, but if you look at it deep down, Layo is setting all these people up for dragging. Layo is setting all these people up for dragging. She is. MHM, everybody knows MHM. She's not involved in fracas. She's just there doing her own thing. Layo lo crop MHM. I mean, at this point, do you just want to be bullying people or what? Because kò sí èèyàn tó bá bullying sin Mesoro ló máa forí gbàgbé orí Mesoro ló máa tìbò mi gbígbóná. That is how it is now. No mercy for anybody. Anybody you are associated with, ẹniyẹn ló máa jẹgbá. There's nothing bad in what MHM wore. kì í ṣe pé ó ní stain, kì í ṣe pé ó dọ̀tí, kì í ṣe pé she's not clean, kì í ṣe pé there is an issue. You crop her, kì í ṣe pé aṣọ yẹn ó wà exposed, you understand? You crop her, you put it there. You are not telling us. Kàn bá wá bra vendor, nǹkan tó wọ̀ ò dáa. Kàn bá wá bra vendor. Bullying another woman that has nothing, even if you know that, okay, there's something on her that you don't like. I didn't notice anything until when you say it. Ẹ̀yin lẹ mama wá ebu dẹ̀ pọ̀ sára Mesoro. Téèyàn bá kàn fi Mesoro lẹ̀, èèyàn máa fi ilẹ̀ ni. Ẹ̀yin lẹ mama tọ́ pínpín èèyàn. Saying that MHM bra is bad. Even if you notice anything, your brain cannot tell you. You don't have sense to go to an inbox and say that MHM, irú nǹkan báyìí kò dáa. But you will subject somebody to bully. As if bẹ́ni pé Mesoro tó ń gbèjà bíi pé ayé ti ẹ̀gán lálùbáríkà. Mesoro is so old and tacky to the point that she's using flitter to blur her skin, to blur her face. Don't you know we understand all these things as they go? Shop be that come no filter. She should bring her face out if she's not going to look tacky. Tacky as fuck. Kó gbójú ẹ̀ jáde. The filter is too much that she's becoming blurry. Come on, look at that. For the love of God, look at that. She's becoming blurry. And you people sit down there telling us, kiniko. It doesn't make sense. Make it make sense. It doesn't make sense. How can you be setting another woman up for dragging? Hey, I have not seen the kind of woman you think you are, Layo. You are not a woman, or you are not a girl's girl. You are just, you're just a bittered, unloved. You are not loved at home. If you notice there is an issue with a woman's dressing, the awakening is embarrassing, you can go to her inbox and tell her, MHM, bra there was actually the bra you wore to that clothes. Ṣáàjà kì í ṣe pé ìwà MHM jà, àbẹ́ ẹ̀dùn kan lọ́wọ́ ara yín. MHM, bra there was actually kò má dà. Go change that bra next time. Ló bá tán, must you put her there and bully her? What's the big deal? Is life not lifing anymore? Tó bá yẹ pé menstruation ló wá wà díẹ̀ kí ló máa sọ? You will drag her as if she's not human being. I didn't even notice the bra until when you talk about it. She wore a jumpsuit, the denim jumpsuit with a white shirt, if I'm not mistaken. There's nothing bad about that. She's busty, of course. Ìgbà tí ìṣe pé MHM is a supermodel. Àbí Naomi Campbell, I don't understand. What you are expecting perfection, I don't know. We are all human beings. We cannot be perfect. There is nothing out of the ordinary. Wo èèyàn títí, wo kúrò nu first layer, wo wọnú underwear, Layo. You need to get something done with your life. Your life is not lifing. Wo èèyàn títí, wọṣọ tó wọ̀, wo underwear, oníkan supply any better bra. And to you, that is blogging. To me, that is just, being a nuisance. You are just being a nuisance on social media space. You were so thirsty for engagement, you have to drag somebody's underwear. Tí o ṣe pé expose ọ̀gá yín dẹ̀ rèyàn tó ń bọ́ pátá lórí live video. Onípátá yellow sọnù, olóṣó àgbáyé, olóṣó olórí tó ń bọ́ pátá lórí live video. Èèyàn tó wà fully clothed, fully dressed, you came outside to drag her, telling us that underneath the clothes she wore, wípé bra tó wọ̀ yẹn kó lọ change it. You are mad, Layo. Orí ẹ̀ ò pé, orí Mesoro gan ti yí. Kí ló ń ṣe yín ná? What is wrong with you people? You are a mad woman. If you feel like you have to drag somebody to the extent of underneath the clothes, that you cannot use your eyes to see. Who raised you people? What's the big deal? Kì í ṣe pé aṣọ yẹn ya, kì í ṣe pé ó expose, kì í ṣe pé ó dọ̀tí, kì í ṣe pé ó kó síta ó fi ṣolóṣó. Ó kúkú jẹ́rìí MHM, ẹ kúkú mọ̀ ó fojú ọ̀gá yín gbolẹ̀ ni. Nǹkan tí Mesoro deserve ni. Mesoro ni mo sọ pé I think there is trouble in paradise. Layo frequently setting Mesoro up for dragging is now like a normal thing. MHM bójú Mesoro jẹ́ ni ẹ ní délé pé ẹ tún ní délé láyọ̀ ó bójú Mesoro ẹ kúkú mọ̀ pé MHM ò gbádùn jẹ́jẹ́ tiẹ̀ ló máa wà ó bójú Mesoro ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pọ̀. If Mesoro and Layo cannot call each other and use sense to blog, Mesoro ló máa forí gbomi gbígbóná ẹ gbàgbé pé òun dúró sáyẹ̀ ìgbà tó dúró sáyẹ̀ ta ló drag ẹ̀ bọ́ àwọn ọmọ láńdà ẹ̀ lè kọjá wọ́n lè kọjá àyè wọn sí ọ̀gá ọlọ́gà ẹ̀ ní délé pé ẹ gbàgbé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe mọ̀ ọ́ ṣe làwa náà ṣe mọ̀ ọ́ ṣe fún yín ẹ̀ ní délé pé kí ló ń ṣe yín náà kí ló ń gún yín gàràgàrà ṣáyé yín gan ta sánsán ni ṣáyé Mesoro ta sánsán ni gbogbo bí tó lọ àti bó ṣe lọ bó ṣe bọ̀ kí ló mú bọ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan náà ni ó ti gbó bí ilẹ̀ Galilee ẹ̀rí tó ń lo blur filter tó fi ń blur ojú kí ni èjì ẹ̀ gan kí ni èjì ẹ̀ gan Mesoro tó ti gbó bí ilẹ̀ oko ti gbó wèrè ìwọ̀nba gan lèèyàn dóko mọ̀ ẹ̀yin onírànú onírasẹ̀ onídọ̀tí Mesoro tó ń gbèjà gan tó bá bọ́ bra ẹ̀ báyìí gbogbo èèyàn máa túká ni kìkì ọrùn kìkì gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa kún bẹ́ẹ̀ kì í ṣe pé kéèyàn kó kun powder kó kun pancake o are you clean underneath ẹ̀yin olóṣooṣì tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè ṣiṣẹ́ tí ò lè fọwọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ you want to blog start with Mesoro's life kò sí nǹkan kan tó mú yẹ́sẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ní ayé Mesoro now go and blog her life tell her that why at 50 something she has no job no business no career nothing no education oko olóko ló ń wá kiri from palace to palace olóṣì ẹjọ́ ṣí èrè papọ̀ ni MHM she did not come to play because mo dem man like nìyẹn if they come for you come for their olórí wo àwọn èèyàn tó ga jù nù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò come for orí wọn burú papọ̀ if Mesoro cannot control Layo do a disclaimer that you don't know Layo. But Layo will be coming after people's children, coming after people's underwear. I don't understand. What is your big deal in your fellow woman's body? Ìwọ nìkan náà ló máa rí nǹkan tí ò dá. You are always looking for the fault in everybody. Ṣé wọ́n gan perfect ni? Gbére síta ká wo kárí bó ṣe rí now. Bring yourself out. Let us see what you look like. Ọ̀gá yín nìyẹn pẹ̀lú gbogbo pancake náà kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó gbé sílé. Wọ́n kàn fi ṣe kí ni wọ́n fi ṣe born throwaway ni wọ́n jẹ́ ìgbà tó jẹ́ tọ́ntọ́ fún tọ́sán yẹn ti papọ̀ wọ́n ju wèrè sọnù òyìnbó la wá ń gbọ́ I am always busy doing what you've never been busy you've never had anything going on you've never been busy ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé náà MHM did not do anything to you you started this nonsense. And I like the way she did not even let it slide. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tẹ́ MHM sọ. Mọ̀mí Ayọ̀yọ̀ said no be her cobalize Mesoro. Ó ní kì í ṣe òun lòun kó bá Mesoro. Not to seek glory to you. Pé kó má bàa rógo lò. Torí Mọ̀mí Òṣùlá gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù fún wèrè. Ó jẹ gbárùn ni. Kò tí ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀. She said Mesoro dey borrow house, money, car, and being fed by donation for the past 7 years. She said Mesoro wear akisa. Last warning for Malu is sweet me. They love borrow post. No, that they want to red car yẹn ni àbí ṣé wine car náà ni. Tẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí borrow post. Tẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé fẹ́ ṣílẹ̀kùn mọ́tò onímọ́tò. Tẹ́ ń lọ ńbẹ̀. Tẹ́ wá déwájú káréèjì kábíyèsí náà. Ẹ máa lọ wọn ọ̀dẹ̀ gbé yín sílé náà. Ẹ kì í ṣe ìyàwó. Àwọn kan tó jẹ́ ìyàwó gan àrí wọn kọ́ máa lọ wájú káréèjì. Aṣáàrí ìyàwó kan jọ̀kan. Káréèjì yẹn náà fi gbé. Òun àti ìyàwó gọ́vnà tó fẹ́ ṣe sọdimọ́remí carriage náà fi gbé wọn ẹ̀yin ṣáà máa fi ara wọ́ carriage ẹ máa fara nù ẹ máa fara lò it's not for you it's not for you get the fuck lọ́wọ́ ṣẹ́ṣe ojú ẹ̀ ló wà ibẹ̀ ló wà ó tí kù nígbà tó kó odidi 6 wọlé tán tẹ̀ lè ka ẹ mọ́ anything wọn tẹ̀ tí kò wọn wọlé gan tán jẹ́ kó sùn sínú ààfin ẹ̀yin onírádàràdà borrow post àyálò make me shine olóṣì ẹ máa rò pé ẹ̀yin nìkan lẹ mọ̀rọ̀ èèyàn kan sọ ṣọ́ ilé ayé tí yín ta sánsán ni borrow house, borrow car, borrow everything, donation ni. Ọ̀gá yín wèrè fẹ́ ṣe 50th birthday. Wọ́n lọ sínú inbox àwọn èèyàn sọ pé please if you want to assist birthday tó ṣìṣe lọ́jọ́ yìí sínú 51. Wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ti post account number láti last week wọ́n ọ̀dẹ̀ tẹ̀ tí ṣe birthday. Pé if you want to use anything to assist wọ́n dáwó fún jẹun ní olè alápá má ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀lẹ. Orí yín ò pé, orí yín ò pé. If Layo can bring it on we go give it to you la. Ìwọ gan wà ó ní jẹ́ tán. Ẹ̀yin méjèèjì tẹ́ ẹ̀ gbádùn tẹ́ ẹ̀ wá òkè. Wọ́n ní MHM has confirmed ẹ̀yìn ikú ìyá ẹlẹ́wọ̀n is under Ikoro's page. She said Mesoro's children did not have a graduation. Wọ́n ní àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ò graduate. Mesoro's children have no life. I am messenger of good news. She said Mesoro did not have money to do a photo shoot. Gbọ́ ni. Pẹ̀lú bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe pín òbò lọ́dọ̀ 30 mini. Wọ́n ò tiẹ̀ lè kọrin fún yín lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ fún 50th birthday yín. Ẹ sì sọ pé yẹn you come with your money to the restaurant, you will order food by yourself. 50th birthday. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fara pé àfin tó tẹ́lọ̀ fòbò jagun tẹ́ fòbò òbò pussy palliative tó fi yín ṣe bedwarmer fún kábíyèsí. Wọ́n ò tiẹ̀ lè sọ pé kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tẹ organize party kékeré kan kò ní ìdí kò pọ̀. Donation yìí náà ni. Donation ṣé MHM ló bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ gan ni? Ṣé òun ló bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ kó má rogo lò ni? Ṣé òun ló bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ kó má rogo lò ni? Ẹ máa gbọ́ o, MHM called Mesoro name with her full chest. She gave her a stern warning. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, Màálù Àgánwálé, come out and defend your boss. June wey go sweet, na third we go know. Mesoro borrow gold, borrow clothes. Màálù wey for. Àǹtí mi onítẹ̀rù sọnù. Ló bá kó sí funfun ọ̀dẹ̀, inú ẹ̀ dúdú, ó ń wọ funfun kiri. Ó mọ̀ pé ọkàn náà fi mú àwọn obìnrin tó mú wọlé yẹn. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé orí ẹ̀ ẹlẹ́dàá ìṣẹ̀dá ẹ̀ kọ̀. Ìṣẹ̀dá ẹ̀ ò lè jó lórí. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ìṣẹ̀dá ẹ̀ ò lè jó lórí. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ó máa tú àfihàn tó bá fi ẹ́ síbẹ̀. Orí. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé ohun mẹ́ṣe míú. Orú onú ẹ̀ ó ju tejò lọ. They need soft-hearted people that are loving on the inside. Bitterness has consumed you, Mesoro. Bitterness ti bà tiẹ̀ jẹ́. That is it. Ó ti bà tiẹ̀ jẹ́. Wàá dájà lẹ́nu wàá máa bá gbogbo wọn jà torí pé if you don't get what you want wàá fa wàhálà láàfin. Wọ́n sọ pé Tóyìn Kọ́ládé ó hate ẹ ó mọ nǹkan tó ṣe. Of course because they know who you are. Olóṣó olódo ni ẹ. Olóṣó dolórí. Ó ṣe wọ̀. In your widest dream Aunty Mesoro olóṣì ẹ jẹ́ pé ra yín kẹ́ fúnra yín ní orí pípé ní tìmù yín yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ pé Láyọ̀ tó ń forí yín tó ń torí yín bomi gbóná torí àwọn èèyàn ti fi yín sílẹ̀ báyìí ọ̀hún ti gbà tẹ́ṣẹ́ sọ pé dọ́dọ́dọ́dọ́dọ́dọ́dọ́ orí tó bá lé wéwú láwàní òun fún ara ẹ̀ ló máa tú láwàní yẹn tó máa gbà kó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Mesoro ṣe rí nìyẹn. Give your stupid Láyọ̀ last warning so that kò ní máa ṣe rádaràda kò ní máa forí yín gbẹgba. MHM has not come for you. She's doing her thing. There's nothing wrong about her. If you know that, you understand, but there's a thing that you correct people with love. Mọ gbogbo yẹn. Gbogbo tí yín wàdò ìjà ṣá ni. Kẹ́ máa bá tèèyàn jẹ́, kẹ́ máa búlé èèyàn. Wọ́n ti fi ṣe yín. Ìjà ṣá ni every time. Wọ́n fi búlì ṣe yín ni. Ó lágbára o.